Alright, so today I'm going to walk you through a WordPress plugin I created called Image Meta Save. And as you can read here, its purpose is to help users upload images to the media library with saved metadata information. So let's do a quick walkthrough so we can learn exactly what that means. So let's start here with add a location. So I'm going to pick Kansas City, Missouri, and since I don't know the latitude or longitude, I'm just going to use something random. So let's just go 64 and 23. Alright, so now we're going to add the location, and as you can see over here, we can delete it if we want. I don't want to, but just to show you guys, I'll add another one. So let's just do St. Louis, Missouri, and go 4588 and add it, and over here you can see St. Louis, Missouri. Don't want that, so delete. Alright, so now we have our location. Let's go down to preset and start filling in some of this other metadata information. So we'll start out with a name. So this could be like a business name. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do something silly like Tiger King Apparel. Alright, can all get behind that. And now we're going to go down to alternative text, alt text here. And this is something that's really important for SEO, so you really want to have that in your metadata. So let's just go with Tiger Apparel Shop. Alright, we got that. And our phone number is 555-555-5555. Just to have an example in there, and we'll go down to our location, which we already put in, Kansas City, Missouri, and now we need some links. So this is like, say like a Facebook page or just like a website, so we could do www.tigerkingapparel.com. Add that, but say we misspelled something, so let's clear the links. Oh, it's not there anymore, so now let's try it again. www.tigerkingapparel.com, and let's do a Facebook page. So www.facebook.com/tigerkingapparel. Add that. Got both our links. Got all our information. So now let's add the entry. Alright, last but not least, let's upload some images. So we go over here, and we can just leave this at no data, and if you upload the images with that, it'll do exactly what you think, have no data. But we're not going to do that. We're going to do Tiger King Apparel, and we'll see all of our information here, and this actually allows you to change the location if for some reason you don't want location data for a certain image, say. But in this case, we're going to leave it. So we got Kansas City, Missouri, and down here we have our little description, which kind of just puts all our information together. And so let's find our images. So test images, Tiger 1 and Tiger 2. Alright, so we got our two files. Let's hit upload. Alright, so they have been added. So let's go to our media library over here, and you can see we have two images, Tiger King Apparel, Tiger King Apparel. So let's check out one of these. Alright, beautiful tiger here. So now we have our alternative text, which was Tiger Apparel Shop, as you might remember, and our caption is just going to be the name again, and the description is going to combine all that information together. Alright, so now you might be thinking, well, where's the location? And actually in the WordPress media library default, there is no option to see the location. I think there are some plugins out there that will actually unlock this ability so you could see the location in the library, but how I'm going to do it, or how I'm going to show you, is I'm just going to look at the database, which will actually have the location data there. So, alright. these are the three databases right here that come with the plugin. And to see the metadata for the post, we're going to go to post meta. And in here, we can see our two images, Tiger 1, Tiger 2, and each of them have attachment metadata. So let's open that up by clicking edit. And there's a ton of information associated with images. So let's go down to the bottom and we can actually see right here latitude, latitude reference, which is just like north, south for latitude, and then longitude and longitude reference, which for longitude would be east, west. Alright, so let's just go to longitude and you'll see it says 23 over 1, 0 over 1, and 0 over 10,000. And you might remember we entered 23 for this. So what this does is it takes that 23 integer, or whatever we enter, and then it doesn't have to be an integer, it could be 23.33 or something like that, and it actually converts it into this metadata form, and it's degrees, and then 0 over 1 is minutes, and then 0 over 10,000 is seconds. So that's a different form you might not have seen before, but that's what it converts it to. The plugin does that internally. So there you go, there's the location. So this has been a fun time. I hope you guys enjoyed the plugin, and if you like the plugin, feel free to download it and use it and leave a great review. But that's it. Thanks, guys.